A patent agent, as defined under Section 2N of Indian Patents Act, is a person who has passed Indian Patent Agent examination and is registered under Section 126 of the Act as a patent agent. In this video, we will discuss who is a patent agent, how to become a patent agent, and career options after becoming a patent agent. I'm Bindu Sharma from Origin IP Solutions, and I will explain you about patent agent examination in simple words. Patent agent is a person who is registered under Section 126 of Indian Patents Act as patent agent. Patent agent usually is involved in drafting, filing, and prosecution of patent applications before the controller on behalf of the person who wishes to file a patent. Patent agent has to be authorized by the inventor to act on his behalf by executing power of attorney in his name. Patent agent is a person who has written and passed patent agent examination and further has registered himself or herself as a registered patent agent. Doing this, his name is entered in the register of patent agents by the controller of patents. In order to become a patent agent, the candidate should be citizen of India. He should have completed the age of 21 years and he should have completed a degree in either science, engineering or technology from any university established under law for time being in force in the territory of India, or should possess such equivalent qualifications as specified by the central government. In this regard, final year students can also apply as long as they can produce their degree certificate with all mark sheets within 12 months from the date of announcement of patent agent examination result. Candidate should have either passed qualifying examination prescribed for the purpose or should have functioned either as examiner or discharged the function of the controller or both for a period of not less than 10 years, provided that at the time of making the application for registration he has ceased to hold any such capacity, and finally the candidate should have paid the prescribed fees. Only a person meeting the qualifications provided in the Section 126 of the Act is eligible to apply for Indian Patent Agent examination. The applicant should select the center of his convenience to write the exam, and this exam is usually conducted in 5 cities, that's Mumbai, Delhi, Nagpur, Chennai and Kolkata. The Indian Patent Agent examination generally is conducted once in a year, but earlier it used to be twice a year. The patent agent examination consists of paper 1 and paper 2, 100 marks each, followed by viva of 50 marks. A written test is conducted as qualifying exam, which shall be conducted by Office of the Controller. The first paper is based on Patent Act and rules, while second paper is more practical in nature and it is related to drafting and interpretation of patent specifications and other descriptive questions. Paper 1 is of 100 marks and this will have both objective and descriptive type of questions. Candidate is required to score a minimum of 50 marks to pass paper 1. Paper 2 is also of 100 marks and pass marks are 50. Paper 2 will have questions related to drafting and interpretation of patent specifications and related descriptive questions from Patent Act and PCT. Third part of patent agent examination is viva, which is of 50 marks. Candidates who pass in paper 1 and 2 are called for viva and it is conducted for 50 marks. The questions that are generally asked are based on IPR and more specifically patent law provisions related to technical field of the candidate. For a person to qualify as a patent agent, he should secure an overall of 60% aggregate of total marks. The result of examination is usually announced after 2 months of conducting the examination. The results are announced on official website of Office of Controller Journal of Patents. Rights of a patent agent have been described under Section 127 of Indian Patents Act. These rights include right to practice before the controller and to prepare all documents, transact all business, and discharge such other functions as may be prescribed in connection with any proceeding before the controller under this Act. Indian patent agent is authorized to draft, file, prosecute patent applications and design application in India as well as in PCT. Now let's see how to start preparing for Indian patent agent examination. This exam is not difficult as such, but you need lots of practice with respect to various provisions of Patent Act, then remembering various important sections, rules, fees and forms. So you should dedicate at least 4 to 5 months of preparation time with 4 hours every day of practice. So this should be more than enough for you to prepare for Indian patent examination. To prepare for Indian Patent Agent examination, you have to be very thorough with Indian Patents Act 1970. You have to learn all important sections, rules, fee and forms as given in the Act. There is a manual of patent practice and procedures on Indian Patent Office website. So I suggest you that you download that manual and start reading it, because language in the manual is much easier to understand compared to the bare Act. Further, you have to be thorough with PCT practice and procedures, fees and various timelines. You have to learn patent specification drafting skills. So we have a separate course on patent specification drafting, and if you want you can register for that course. We have given good amount of content in the course along with practice exercises. Further, you have to have journal information about intellectual property rights, important case laws, and you have to understand other forms of intellectual property as well, like trademark, copyright, geographical indications, etc. While preparing for Indian Patent Agent examination, do not forget to download and solve previous year question papers for practice. Lots of questions, they get repeated, and solving previous year question papers will be extremely helpful for you. You will get all previous year question papers on official website of Patent Office. Now let's have a look at career options for a patent agent. Well, a patent agent, being at least graduate in science, is a perfect candidate to work in research and innovation based industries. Based on his scientific degree, he can work in pharmaceutical, biotechnology, manufacturing, automotive industry as a patent engineer or patent analyst. A patent agent can work in following areas like different types of patent searches like novelty search, technology landscape, invalidation search, evidence of use search, etc. Patent agent may be involved in patent specification drafting, filing, prosecution, not only in India but also PCT. Patent agent is a person to handle patent oppositions and revocations, etc. Being a registered patent agent is helpful for those who want to have long-term career in the area of patents. It opens up many more areas to work in, especially patent specification drafting, filing and prosecution. Origin has been successfully conducting training to help aspiring candidates qualify the Indian Patent Agent examination since 2009. Our in-house IP experts have been instrumental in developing a comprehensive study material for the online course to prepare for Indian Patent Agent examination. And the advantages of this course are that you can learn at your own pace and convenience. We have illustrations and examples provided for easy learning, and there are assessment and practice questions at the end of every module. The link of registration has been provided in the comment section below. The study material for patent agent exam training provided by Origin has been divided into 3 modules. Module 1 is Indian Patents Act 1970 and it includes interpretation of Indian Patent Act, all chapters along with case studies and illustration. The fees for this course is 5,999. Module 2 talks about patent specification drafting, effective claim drafting, exercises for practice, and the fees for this module is 2,999. Module 3 is based on all previous year question papers and it has solutions as well as additional assessment questions based on each chapter, and the fees for this module is 1,999. You can either buy all modules together, or if you want you can buy modules separately also. So once you register for the course that we have provided here, that is online course, you are eligible to attend all our face-to-face or live programs that are conducted for Indian Patent Agent Examination. And this face-to-face training program will include lots of discussions and practice of the previous year question papers as well. We have a very active WhatsApp groups, then Facebook and LinkedIn groups for active discussions on patent agent examination, and we will provide link of all the groups in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video today. For any queries related to our services, you can contact us. Email ID and phone number is given in the video description. See you again. Till then, keep learning, keep innovating. Goodbye.